Hi there, Scott Monday with Kitchen and Bath Crate again. Today's pain point I want to talk about is a pain point where we've heard of contractors before that they get awarded a project and then they look at the customer in the eye and they say, so tell me, what materials do you want to use? Or even worse, let me know when you picked out your materials. That is painful, folks, let me tell you. We've heard about that over and over again from customers that have worked with other contractors throughout the years. And really what it's like, it reminds me a lot of this. When my first child was born many years ago, I do remember this sort of paralyzed feeling of just not knowing what to expect or what to do. And really the hard part is I didn't even know what I didn't know. And maybe you felt that before, either with the birth of your first child, or maybe a new job that you've started, or a new city that you've moved to. Just this feeling like you don't even know where to start. And I think remodels can leave customers feeling a similar way. So what we did very early on in the founding of Kitchen and Bath Crate is we rolled complete interior design services into the project. It's just something that we do as part of the process for you, the customer. And so instead of telling you to go pick stuff out or let us know what you want, what we do instead is, right after your proposal meeting, but of course before construction starts, you meet with one of our interior designers and your salesperson, and we literally walk through every part and piece of your project. Now, some people want a lot of design input and some people want very little design input. It's up to us to ask you that question and make sure that we adapt our process to fit your specific needs. And what that design meeting ends up producing is what we call our project data sheet. And what this is a multi-page document that literally walks through every part and piece of your design schematic. It's kind of like a recipe for the project. And what this allows us to do is to capture the things that are in your head, turn them into a recipe, and make sure this is exactly what gets built on your remodel project. Sounds simple, but I think it's pretty rare in our industry, and it's the way that we solve the pain point of not having interior design assistance along the way. Thank you so much.